Hey Curly, Scarlett here, the creator of Wonder Curl. In this video, I am going to share some tips to care for your high porosity, curly, coily hair. So if that sounds like your hair, then this is the video for you. High porosity hair is usually characterized by having raised cuticles, typically from some type of damage. It can be from over manipulation, coloring, or some other way. When you have high porosity hair, your hair absorbs water quickly, and because the cuticles stay raised, it will lose moisture quickly as well. So you want to make sure you are using moisturizing cleansers and conditioners for your hair. Detoxifying clay cleanser is perfect for coily, high porosity hair because it's gentle and has a lot of slip, making detangling easy. It's also conditioning to your hair. Following up with the restoring hair treatment will help with locking in the moisture. You can use this treatment as a rinse out conditioner or a deep conditioner. Just use a plastic cap and some heat. 10 to 20 minutes are all you need. Because your strands are medium to thick and your hair is on the more curly to coily side, then you want to use thicker creams on your hair. The sealing hair butter is perfect. It's super thick like cake frosting and works to help seal the cuticle. And finally, you want to layer the Get Set Hair Jelly for definition. Whatever style you're doing, whether it's a wash and go or a twist out, these products will help keep your hair hydrated for days. Dry using a diffuser or sitting under a hooded dryer. If you want your hair smoother, then I recommend sitting under the dryer. Follow these tips and your high porosity hair will feel soft and defined for days. And if you want to get the best product recommendations for your hair based on the 4 pillars of hair, then head over to wondercurl.com and take our free hair quiz. Thanks for watching.